Hello everyone, today we will work on front split or Hanuman Asana. Take your right leg in between your arms, left leg back. This is low lunge, leg relaxed. Just stay there. Hold on 1, 2, 3. Inhale, both arms up. Breathe in and breathe out. Just stretch your arms and hands down. Come in high lunge pose and both arms up. Inhale. Stay there. Balance your body. Stabilize your body. Your front leg, knee and ankle should be in one line and then relax. Now, your left hand on sides. With your right palm, just push your right knee towards your right side. Just give gentle stretch. Feel the hip openings and relax. Both the forearms on ground. This is lizard pose. Stay there. Feel the stretch on your glutes, on your thighs, and slowly come up straight and back to Parvatasana. Stretch your hamstrings. One leg down dog, right leg up and in between your arms. Inhale and exhale slowly. Your right knee straight, your left knee straight. Both arms up. Stabilize your body. Slowly inhale and exhale. Look forward, bend forward. Your spine should be straight. You can either keep your fingertips on ground and try to touch your forehead to your knee or your shin bone. Feel the stretch. Slowly come back to Parvatasana. Repeating it on other side, left leg up and in between your arms. Low lunge pose. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly both arms up. Inhale and exhale. Feel the stretch. Try to back bend if you can and come down. Come in high pose. Knee ankle align, spine straight. Lift your body up and slowly come down. Now lizard pose. Stretch your left knee to left side. Feel the openings in your hips. Feel the stretch and slowly arm down. Feel the deep stretch on your inner thigh, outer thigh. Come back slowly and relax in Parvatasana. Bring your left leg up and again in between your arms. Your right heel should be on ground and your left knee straight. Breathe in and breathe out. Parshottanasana. Just feel the stretch on your hamstrings. Inhale, look front. Your spine should be straight. If possible, try to go down and touch your forehead to your knee. Come back to Parvatasana. Inhale and exhale. With other leg, right leg forward. Your right leg knee straight. Left hip and knee should be in one line. Feel the stretch, stay there, or you can just try to touch your head to knee if possible. Slowly give few movements to your hips. 1, 2 and 3. Go further, try to stretch more. Stay there if it is not possible for you to go further. Feel the stretch. You will get into splits eventually through practice. And just try to keep your hips square. Stay there for a few seconds. Inhale and exhale. If possible, both arms up. Stretch your body. Bend back. And exhale, try to bend forward. Slowly come back to Parvatasana. Stretch your hamstrings. Try it out with your left leg, left knee straight. Right hip and knee should be aligned. Try to give few more stretch. Inhale and exhale. Go further. Stretch more. Practice it 2 to 3 times a week. Inhale and exhale. Stay. Stretch more if you can. Breathe in and breathe out. Balance your body and forward bend in splits. Inhale, come back. And relax. Now just rest in child's pose. Thank you so much for watching this video.